A clinometer. Clinometer is an instrument used by engineers to measure the height of a building. It measures the angle of inclination of the building to the horizon. The height of the building is determined by multiplying the distance from the place where you took the angle to the base of the building by the tangent of the angle measured. Height is equal to distance between your place of measurement to the base of the building into tangent of the angle measured. Requirements: 1 protractor, a piece of thread, 1 nail 1 inch in length. Method: make a tiny hole at the center of the base line of the protractor and pass the thread through the hole. Tie a knot on one end of the thread and tie the nail to the other end. When it is held with its straight edge horizontal and upside, the nail should just hang below the curved edge of the protractor.